If you're buying the Sony a7C for vlogging, one of the things you'll want to know is how wide is the kit lens, and it's a 28mm. I've got it at arm's length right now facing me with IBIS on, kind of showing you what a walk and talk stabilization is like. But you know, I do wish that it had a wider kit lens, either a 24 or a 20. Face and eye detection do a good job here. I'm gonna switch hands. Do a good job here keeping myself in focus. And as you can see, the stabilization does a decent job as well. Of course, you don't get the face priority metering or the product showcase mode that Sony put in its vlog-centric ZV-1. Of course, one of the advantages of having an interchangeable lens camera is the ability to change lenses. Now, Sony wasn't able to send me any autofocusing wide angles for this review, but I do have here attached a 21mm f1.4 manual focus lens from Voigtlander. It's a Nocton. It's another lens I'm working on a review for right now. And as you can see, if you put a wide lens on here, this is a lot better option for vlogging. You can see more behind me. I've got a blown out background here with a wide aperture. I am running a very high shutter speed because I'm not using neutral density, but hey, you know, nobody's perfect. And of course, this is a fully manual lens with no stabilization, just like the kit lens. The IBIS system will work in conjunction with it. As you can see, I am very, very handheld here, and I am just kind of cradling the camera in my right hand as I walk and talk. So what's the verdict on the a7C for vloggers? Well, I wish it had a wider lens. The video quality is great. The stabilization is strong. Even with the new IBIS system, my footage looks smooth when it's handheld, and you can add gyro data from the camera for even better stabilization. So what don't I like? I will say, as much as I love the compact kit lens for travel, it should be a little wider angle for vlogging, and this is the same complaint I had with the ZV-1. If you are going to get the Sony a7C for vlogging, I would really think about a 20mm prime lens. The Sony f1.8G is a great value, a good performer, a bright wide aperture prime, and just about perfect for this camera.